Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color some super cute marine animals, an octopus, a turtle, and a dolphin. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I draw a cute octopus. Let's start with her head. Next, I draw two big eyes and two little eyebrows. So cute. Then, I draw her smiling mouth. She looks so happy. Now, I draw her 8 wiggly legs just like this. Right next to the octopus, I draw a cute turtle. I start with his big eyes. Then, I draw his smiling mouth and his head. Let's keep going. Now I draw his body. And of course, I draw his shell with lots of fun shapes. Now, I draw his 4 little legs. There we go. Finally, I draw a cute dolphin. I start with his eye. Then, I draw his mouth and his head. Don't forget to draw his fin, just like this. Next, I draw his tail. Wow! Our ocean friends are looking great. Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make the drawing nice and clear. Alright, let's start coloring together. First, I use light purple to color the dolphin. Then, I add a bit of gray too. For the turtle's shell, I use dark yellow and brown to make it look super cool. Next, I use green to color his legs and his head. And now, let's color the octopus pink. She looks adorable. I color her eyes sky blue. And I'll add a little light purple too. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Goodbye.